Welcome to Door County, Wisconsin, a place rich in history and natural beauty. Our journey through the woods today will take us on a trip through time, as we explore some of the unique features of this beautiful region. Door County was once home to the Potawatomi Indians, who called it the land of the four seasons. They were skilled fishermen, hunters, and farmers, and their way of life was deeply connected to the land around them. One of the most famous spots in Door County is Death's Door, a treacherous passage between the mainland and Washington Island. According to legend, this area was named for the many lives lost as ships attempted to navigate the strong currents and rocky shoals. Door County's unique geography is due to the glacial formations that shaped the landscape thousands of years ago. As we walk through the woods of Door County in the spring, we can feel the world coming alive around us. The buds on the trees are starting to bloom, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of new growth. It's a time of renewal and rebirth, a time to shake off the winter chill and embrace the warmth of the sun. And as we walk, we hear the songs of the birds that have returned from their winter migrations. Door County is home to over 300 species of birds, and spring is a particularly special time to listen to their calls. We may hear the cheerful melody of the robin, or the high-pitched trill of the warbler. We may even catch a glimpse of the majestic bald eagle as it soars overhead. As we continue our journey, we can't help but feel a sense of awe at the beauty of the natural world around us. Door County is known for its stunning scenery, from the rugged coastline to the rolling hills and fields. And in the springtime, it's as if the entire landscape is coming alive with color and sound. The wildflowers that grow in Door County in the spring are a sight to behold. From delicate bluebells to vibrant wild phlox, they paint the fields and meadows with a riot of color. It's a reminder of the power and resilience of nature, and a sign that even after the darkest of winters, life will always find a way to bloom again. The Dore Peninsula is made up of Niagara dolomite, which was formed over 400 million years ago. This rock is characterized by its pink and white stripes, and can be seen in many of the area's cliffs and bluffs. In addition to the dolomite, there are also granite boulders and other rocks scattered throughout the woods. These rocks provide a glimpse into the ancient geological history of this area. And so we walk on, taking in the sights and sounds of the natural world around us. And then there are the Omaralukes, sometimes shortened to Omars, which can be found in the woods throughout Dore County. These round rocks were left behind by the glaciers, and are a favorite of rock collectors and nature enthusiasts alike. I love collecting Omars.
I don't even like standing near this thing.
Each step we take is a step through time, a journey through the history and geology of this beautiful land. It's a reminder that the stories of our past are still with us today, waiting to be discovered and shared. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Dore County. I hope you enjoyed learning about the area's unique features and history, and that it inspired you to take your own walk through the woods. Until next time, be well and stay curious!